Hello everyone, my name's Michael and today I'm doing a tool talk review on the Wera Kraftform extra long screwdriver set. So, straight away you can see, being Wera, comes in a beautiful bit of matte black packaging as usual. On the back side, a few descriptive pictures of the nice Kraftform ergonomic grip, so it conforms nicely to your hand. The anti-rolling feature of the hexagonal base, and then the description of the easy identification which you'll see on the back of each driver. So, opening it up, you're greeted with the 3 screwdrivers that are included in the set. So the first one is a 5.5mm flathead bit. Again, that lovely Kraftform handle fits really nicely in the hand. And then the easy identification on the tip. Here we have the Phillips number 2. And also a number 2 Pozidriv. So these are incredibly handy screwdrivers. I've had a few sets like these, and they get into some of the most difficult spots that you can't normally get to with a regular screwdriver. So say you're trying to get into the very tightest corner of a cupboard, it can just slide in nicely along the side, a bit like this, and you can just screw up or unscrew any screw. Same as if you have a bit of cable tray or any form of tray work up on the ceiling and you're trying to get to a screw up there, you can just easily slide this through one of the holes on the tray. It gets in there nicely, so you can do it up or again unloosen it. These screwdrivers, I have to admit, are one of the best ones that I've used so far. They feel incredibly comfortable. The bits on the end seem incredibly resilient and hopefully aren't going to snap on me anytime soon. But yeah, an excellent bit of kit, and I'd highly recommend these. At least the PZ, which is probably the most common one you really use, but the flathead is also incredibly handy. And the Phillips, again, is probably one that's more likely going to live in your spare toolbox, but so will most of these, because they are a very rarely used tool, but they come incredibly handy in the few times that you need it. And for the price, yeah, it's something that I always keep in one of my tool bags at least. So I hope you've enjoyed my review, and thank you very much.